If your brand hasn't hit a profit ceiling, you are tried pushing sales harder, invest more in marketing, yet margins still won't move, this is for you. Most companies think growth comes from selling more, but the real opportunity lies in leveraging more through strategic licensing partnerships that expand reach, open categories, new, and generate recurring revenue without increasing overhead. In our recent executive roundtable and the Path to Profit Live webinar this month, I've broken down the exact frameworks leading brands use to identify untapped licensing potentials, structure deals that protect brand equity, and build royalty streams that scale into 8-figure results. If you are ready to unlock the next stage of growth, watch the replay of both sessions. The roundtable for the big picture strategy and live webinar for the advanced execution model. You'll find both links below. And if you find it valuable, please like, share the content so that we know we provided the maximum value to help you grow your business. And if it sparks the ideas, drop a comment. I'd love to hear how your brand is planning to leverage licensing next, or potentially what you are working on today that we can help you to address in our next sessions. I look forward to seeing everyone next month.